Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the best cage for the Sony A6700, and if you haven't guessed already by the name of the title of this video, it's a Smallrig cage. And if you're like me, you've been absolutely blown away by the new Sony Alpha 6700 with its amazing specs, its compact form factor, and the new AI capabilities, and the fact that it has the same sensor as the FX30. It's really hard not to be super excited. So let's kind of just take a quick look at what the Smallrig cage looks like. So here it is. This is the Smallrig cage, and this is basically what it looks like. It's made of like metal. It's super sturdy, and I mean, honestly, you can't really ask for anything more, right? Now, in terms of actually putting this thing together on this camera itself, it's really not too hard. It's actually really easy. So first thing you want to make sure, of course, that you do is take off the eyelets here. Take those off. Not only do they make a lot of noise, but also, I mean, they're going to be in your way when you're trying to actually put this in the cage. So let's kind of just go ahead and put this in there. So it definitely goes this way. So very flush, right? Then you just flip it around. Then you got this little piece here that is made for you to basically screw in the bottom. So I'll just go ahead and do that. All right, cool. So that's that. And then up here, there's another little piece that you're supposed to basically unscrew and actually, it looks like screw it to the frame up here as well. So let me just do that. Okay, perfect. So there we go. Now, if you're a video creator, aspiring videographer, or a hybrid photographer, you probably realize that you want to take your A6700 to the next level. And what better way to do that than to grab the new Smallrig cage kit for the Sony A6700. Now, with the Smallrig's all-in-one design, the full cage provides you with plenty of protection for your A6700. Not only does it have a strong build, it feels really great in the hand. And one of the things I really like about this cage as well is that there is a cable clamp that protects the mini HDMI port from becoming damaged. And personally, I've never had an issue with a mini HDMI port becoming damaged in any of the cameras that I've ever used, especially for video. But I know that having a full-size HDMI port would be much, much better. But the fact is that we don't have one, but this does come with a cable clamp that provides you that extra bit of peace of mind. And so if you're also like me, you've been recording on the fly, you take this camera everywhere around the house, maybe out in the field, and having an integrated Arca Swiss plate really makes it a breeze when you just need to plump it down on a tripod really quickly, or even if you want to use it handheld, that's really up to you. But also, if you're going to be using gimbals with it as well, this is also a really great option to go with as well. One of the things that I really like about this is the fact that it does have a DJI area here that basically is designed just for DJI gimbals. But if you do have gimbals, I don't have a gimbal, but if you do have that, I think that this will be also great because it's already like designed exactly for that purpose, which is awesome. So that is something I'm really excited about. I'm excited about using this cage as well for YouTube videos as well. I'm going to get a handle and use this for maybe some product shots and things like that. Also, the fact that I can kind of build this out a little bit more and add some audio components or maybe even a monitor on top while I'm recording. So I'm really excited about the possibilities that this cage gives me. And I'm pretty sure that's something that you're going to be excited about as well. So if you're looking to get your own cage for your A6700, I definitely recommend Smallrig. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below to grab your own. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, or if you want to just share how you plan to actually use your cage, definitely leave those in the comments below. I'm super excited to hear what you guys are planning to do. And also, if you find this video to be helpful, definitely hit the like button. I'm looking to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So every like just motivates me to make more videos. And also, if you have not subscribed just yet, I'm not really sure what you're waiting for. But if you haven't, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be alerted every time I make a new video. I make new videos every single week. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.